Assalamialaikum. How have you been? Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today is a very special day. It's a holy day and we all Muslim are fasting for our future, for our prayer. And this is Shabe Barat. The last night we have passed the Shabe Barat. That's why today we all are fasting. And when I woke up at the morning and I see that's beautiful scenery, you can see and you can also enjoy behind the beautiful air blowing the trees, and the dove is charming and it's really beautiful environment. So let's some practice in English. We can make question about this day. So the first question is, what is the day? And I can answer it. This is the Ramzan day. That means the Muslim are fasting. And the another answer I can give you that this is the fasting day and it's very fruitful because Allah give us prayer and we can get some we can get some neki. That's why we all are fasting and it will give our body very freshness. Okay, that's why we all are fasting today. The second question is, do you fasting today? Yes, today I am fasting. And the third question is, how you will fasting today? Okay, the answer is I am fasting today because from the beginning of the rising of the sun, I am promised to myself that I will not eat anything after till the setting of the sun, and this is the system of fasting. And we will not eat a little bit of water, and this is the system of Muslim fasting. I think you got my point. You can make another question that, is it mandatory for all Muslim? The answer is no. It is not mandatory for all Muslim. It's depend on a person wish. Whoever want to fast today, then he or she can. After 15 later, the Ramadan will come. At that time, the fasting, that means the Siyam, will be mandatory for all Muslim who are adult. That means who are about 18, they have to fast the next for 30 or 29 days. And Ramzan is a month of Daya, Rahmat and Maghfirat, and it's also called the month of Quran. That means in this month the Holy Quran nazil in to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's why this month is called the month of Ramadan. And in this month, all Muslim, that means almost all Muslim who can read the Quran, they always finish the Quran by reading, and it gives them very pleasure, and it's make them to reserve their neki. Every man and women, they should fast in Ramadan, and who are ill, that means who are suffering illness and something disease, or who are musafir, that means traveling, and that person can remain from Ramadan, but they have to recover this fasting after their problem. So guys, this is for today. You can practice in English in your home after saying about Ramadan or today's fasting, and keep practicing and stay with MD Sadekur Rahman, and I hope we can be better one day, inshallah. Just keep practicing. So stay with me till then. Khuda Hafiz.